Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to have iPhone wallpaper change automatically. To make your iPhone wallpaper change automatically, you can use the shortcut automation feature to set up rotating wallpapers. Here's how you can do it. Open the Photos app and create a dedicated album with the image you want to use as wallpapers by tapping the plus button on the top left. Then choose New Album, then name it, and tap on Save. Add all the preferred wallpapers to this album by tapping on it, then hit Add. Now, let's create a wallpaper shortcut. Go to Shortcuts app, then go to the Album tab at the bottom center, then tap New Automation if you don't have any automations yet, or just tap the plus button. Choose a trigger, such as time of day, to change your wallpaper at specific times, or battery level, charging, etc., depending on your preference, but I choose time of day for now. Then tap Next. Here, tap on New Blank Automation, then tap Add Action. Now, let us set the wallpaper action. And the action search bar, type Find Photos, and choose it. Tap Add Filter to specify your wallpaper album. Choose Album, and choose the album with your wallpapers. Next, add another action by tapping the search bar, then searching for Set Wallpaper Photo. Tap on Set Wallpaper Photo, and make sure both Lock Screen and Home Screen are checked, or just choose your preference. Now tap on the play button on the bottom right corner, then tap on Choose the photo on the new album. Take note, you can only choose one. Tap Done to save. Then go to the newly created automation. Now, on automation, make sure to choose to run immediately and toggle on notify when run. You can wait for the time when it will run on your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.